Hello everyone. Hope you all doing good. Today our team is going to present a SharePoint site which we built for seamless accessibility to the information. At first, I would like to talk about our company Green Group Solutions. To know about this, just click on the About Us tab. Here all the information regarding our team is available. So you can see this is our team aim and everything, who did which part. And scrolling down, we have 5 members in total. One is Patrick, who is a psychology background, over a 8 of experience. And talking about Pranab, he got a 15 years of experience in banking sector. And talking about Bora, she is the SharePoint administrator for this group. And scrolling to down, I created this whole layout. And as we know, we need a project manager to complete all these things in a particular timeline. So Ayushi did this for all of us. So now, moving further to the layout, I consider design to be more than just aesthetics. It's a language that expresses on our fundamentals identity. Every line, color, and interaction on this SharePoint site represents a different aspect of our brand, Green Group Solutions. So user experience for me was the forefront of my design philosophy. So as you can see, there's a tab named Project Homepage. If you can tap on this, we got the course material. Everything related to the your study is available here. Just click on the relevant tab and get everything you want to know. And moving towards the team collaboration process, we also got some like team planner which we use to track our timeline and calendar, the upcoming events, document library, timeline, and progress tracker. So I would like now to invite Pranab to talk more about that.
Yogesh. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our presentation on SharePoint site creation. Through our UCW Digital Transformation course portal SharePoint site, students can access their course syllabus, contents, administrative resources, and other learning resources. And this help is available to students 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, supporting through virtual options like chatbot, contacting via email, telephone, or scheduling a one-on-one session. As the content specialist for this project, I assisted by first understanding the team dynamics through our regular team meetings. Subsequently, I expressed a comprehensive content strategy, collaborated with our specialist UX designer Yogesh on architecture, and facilitated the creation and migration of the initial content onto our SharePoint site. Through constant communication within the team, we were able to ensure that the content was not only informative but also aligned with our project goals, contributing significantly to the success of our course portal. And our portal, if we go to the homepage, you'll see the project homepage, and it has a very intuitive layout, ensuring a user-friendly layout and a navigation. The course schedule, as we move on, if we look onto the homepage, actually, could you go back to the previous page, please? The project homepage. I'll quickly run you through the remaining information on the homepage. So if you scroll down, you will see that there are links to know about the university's policies and procedures on the left-hand side. In the middle, we have uh, the field for assignment due dates, wherein if you have any assignments, upcoming assignments, it will show up here. Next to it, we have the news and announcements, wherein we have the news for any public holidays that are upcoming. Then below it, we have the FAQs, and finally, we have the community and support. And moving on, when we go to the product homepage and click on the drop down, it's the course materials. And when you go into course materials, we'll see there are multiple documents available which talks about digital transformation, how it is integrated by the government of Canada into their own health sector, and vice versa. So these are all available on click to option. And I will now pass on the stage to my friend Patrick, who will now carry on with the remaining presentation. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, Pruno. So over and above the project homepage and the course materials, we also have the news and updates. So kindly, let's go into that. So these contains, current trends and updates in the digital world. So students are able to get up-to-date information in terms of what's happening in the digital world. There are a lot of information, as you can see there. So let's just click on 1 to see the content. So if you look at the digital transformation channel, it has current information on digital trends, which would be very beneficial to students who are part of the digital transformation course. If we can go to the homepage. Next, apart from the news and updates, are the learning resources. These are also materials to help students in their course on the digital transformation. It has also very rich materials that would be able to enrich their learning experience. We just click one of them to see what the content is. So this is about digital transformation, and this is a UN document, which is very rich in terms of information in the digital transformation world. So I would pass. Okay, before that, I would want to touch on the faculty information. This is also another resource for students. This is the information for the professor for the course. So students are able to get up-to-date information in terms of what professor want to share and what highlights are there in the coming weeks. So on that note, I will hand over to Bora to take us through. Thank you.
Thank you, Patrick. I'll talk about the community and support tab. It is designed to be the central hub for student support and interaction. The first section, frequently asked questions, provide immediate answers to common course-related questions. It saves time and enhances the learning experience. Let's go back. The second section is contact information. In here, the student can find all necessary contact detail, ensuring they can quickly contact the right person for any query or issues. Let's go back. The third section is feedback. This invites students to share their suggestions and experience, allowing us to improve and adapt to their needs continuously. And next, let's move to the team collaboration process. The first step, team planner, is divided into two main sections. The first one is discussion board. It is where our team collaborates, share ideas, and discuss project-related topics. It's designed to foster open communication and ensure everyone is aligned and engaged. Next one is project roadmap. It outlines our timeline, key milestones, and deliverables. It reflects our progress and upcoming task. The roadmap provides the clear visual representation, ensuring the team members know the status and plans. Let's move to the calendar. Calendar serves all course schedules, including class time, assignment deadlines, and special events. It's interactive, offering reminders to keep everyone on track. So that's it for next. Ayushi?
Thank you so much, Bora. Now I would like to talk about the other aspects of team collaboration process. So here we can see a drop down wherein there is timeline. The timeline here is very brief, which gives us the points where each team member were responsible for their task. So the first thing we can see here is the project name, which gives the tasks that were designed, which were allocated to each of the team members. Here is the status of the task. Some are completed, some are in process, and some are not started. And here is the priority of the tasks and the start and end date. Now, I would like to talk about the progress tracker as well. This is much of an in-depth tracker where we have all the work items that were done or all the tasks that were done throughout the process of planning the SharePoint, and also the scope of work where we have in detail described the tasks that were assigned to the team members. and the category, the progress, the priority, start and end date. And also we had the notes section wherein we could write down some notes and write down our recommendations or plans and anything related to that particular task. And to sum it up, we also have a documents library where we can find all the resources that were used in order to make this SharePoint successful. We have all the timeline, the work progress tracker, all the content and everything that was, or the documents that were used in making the SharePoint. And that was all from the Green Group Solutions. Thank you so much.